Want to create drone shots like this? Check out how they have turned out. And no, UT need expensive drone cameras to shoot these. You can easily do this with AI. You can do this from the convenience of your laptop or phone. Before we know the trick, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel to watch more cinematic videos like these. First, you have to search flow in Google search. Then we have to create an image for reference. You can create any type of image in a wide-angle view of any place. Open the image in any image editor. Pick the pen tool and draw a red path on the image. Upload and open the image in Flow. Write the given prompt in the prompt window and start generating. See how cool the video looks. If you had to create it manually with a drone, how much time and effort would it take? And here you can do it in just 1 or 2 clicks. You can also try experimenting with other images and bring your creativity to life. Copy the prompts from the video by taking screenshots and start making yours.
So friends, do like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe because I will be sharing my creativity with you all on this channel.